Hey everyone, welcome back to Herbster Games. In today's video, I will show you how to create an infinite loop background in Unity. Before we dive into the tutorial, make sure to smash that like button, share this tutorial, and hit subscribe for more awesome tutorial videos. Now, let's begin. In our example, I have downloaded a free parallax background from the Unity Asset Store to use as the background, which I have the link for in the video description. You can use whichever background you can find that is repeatable from itself. I am downloading the PNG files into my editor right here. Create a new scene just for this demonstration. First, create an empty game object, and add the sprite renderer under rendering onto it. Drag one of the backgrounds into the sprite parameter. Currently, the background appears excessively large and magnified, resulting in a lack of clarity. Putting the scale of the object for X and Y as 0.25 would make it nicer looking, so let's do that. At times, you would adjust the sprite's pixels per unit instead of the scaling on the object to make it bigger or smaller. Create another game object, drag the background game object into the new object, and copy the background game object into two more inside. Try changing the y-axis of the objects and make it so the game objects are stacked on top of each other on the scene without any space in between. Next, on the outer layer game object, add a script called background. Open it up. Create a float variable for the maximum y value, a float variable for the speed of the scrolling effect, and a float variable for the current y position. We do not need the start method here, so we can get rid of it. In the update method, have the current position y add the speed and change the game object's position by using the current position y as the y value. Once current position y exceeds max y, then reset the game object position back to 0 and set the current position y back to 0 as well. Adjusted the vertical position of the backgrounds to 10.24 and 10.24. Which corresponds to the current scale of 0.25 for this background image. Run the program now and we can see the background looping itself. Doesn't it look fantastic? If you found this video helpful and want more tutorial videos like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more Unity tutorials. Let me know if there is any topic you would like me to cover, and I will try to incorporate that into our tutorial videos. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!